Time to create a meal plan. Just like all the content items, you start by entering the title. And for a meal plan, we'll go right over to the Recipes tab and start adding the recipes we want in this meal plan. If you want, you can change the number of servings from the original recipe. And if you want to add multiple recipes to one day, that's easy too. The nutrition is calculated for each day, both by the portion and the daily total. And when you generate a shopping list, it pulls in all the ingredients from all those recipes, and it uses the serving sizes you chose. Now all we have to do is publish. Now let's look at what that would be like for a member. On the Meal Plans tab, there's now a new Starter Plan. The user can scroll through the days and see all the recipes in this plan. And they too can change the number of servings for any particular recipe. Now their shopping list will be updated as well. And using the in-store shopping mode allows the user to see all the items they need to purchase grouped by the aisle it appears in.